show you another kind of face mask. It's so cute for the summertime. You need the fabric and you need two 14 centimeter elastic. This is the right side. You turn right side to right side. Okay, you need this one is 26.5 centimeters. You need just only one side over here. For up here is not enough. It's okay. Either way we cut it out of there. So we need the bottom. You have to be full, but on the top it doesn't matter. You tray in the circle. Okay, take it off. Okay, put the bottom over here. You go up 19 centimeters. You mark it over here. Okay, now you cut it out. Okay, like this. Then you fold it in half. Okay, this is the fold side, like this. From here to here, 2.5 centimeters. And from here down here, 4.5 centimeters. Because this one very easy, so I don't have to do on the pattern. Okay, and on this side, the outside here, you go down from here. You go down 2 centimeters, just only 2, and from 2 centimeters over here, you go down 4 more, 4 centimeters here. Okay, from here, you go down here 4 centimeters. Just mark it over here. Okay, and from 2.5 to 4.5, you do like this. You make a circle, a curve. Okay, then you turn around here. Just look like this. This is the full side. Okay, let me cut it out. Now you have this. When you open up, okay, you take every single one here. You fold this line and you sew from here up here for me. From here up here. This one the same. Sew a line from here up here. Okay, then you open up. Then you put right side to the right side. Make sure the line here stay in the middle. Okay, you pin it around. Make sure everything is even. Okay, now the top here, you go down 4 centimeters. And over here, you go down 4. Okay, it's right here. Then you put the elastic. You put it in here. And then the one over here. So you do next to the 4 in here, 4 centimeters here. Okay. Then you pin it down like this. And on the other side you do the same. You put them in the middle here. Okay, after you pin around and put the elastic in the middle, at the bottom here, you mark 4 centimeters for me. Just 4. Okay, now you start sewing from here, go all around and you stop over here. You start from here, you go around and you stop over here. Okay, 4 inch here. Do not sew. For you to turn inside out and for you to put the tissue or the filter inside for safety. Okay, after you turn inside out, it looks like this. And remember, you have the pocket over here. So I will show you to do the next step. From here, from the elastic here, you mark every 2 inch. You go all the way down every centimeter, not 2 inch. I'm so sorry. From here, 2 centimeters, and then you go around until the hole over here, then you stop. Every 2 centimeters. Okay, I think one more here. Yeah, right here. And then from this side, you do the same. From the elastic, 2 centimeters. It has to be stopped right here because the hole right here, I didn't see it. Okay, we have to make the pleat. Start from here. You go like this. You see the one here, the line over here, and when you put the line here to the line on the first one, like this. Do whatever easy for you to make the pleats all over around. If this side, you go this side, and then half of this side you have to go back. Just right here. Right here. the hole here, and then over here you do opposite side. Now you go from here, the hole over here, you start from this line, you go all around, and then you stop at another side. Okay, don't sew this one to let you put the tissue or the filter inside. Okay, I set here. See, this one is under your chin, and this is on the side, and this side is in your nose, and they have plenty of room. It's not touching your mouth, and it's not touching your nose, so don't worry about your makeup. It's still there. See, you see they have plenty of room. This will be 13 centimeters. And 16 centimeters. It's very beautiful, very comfy when you wear it, and it looks so cute. I hope you like it and do it for yourself and for your loved one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.